kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong moon, rising, and Venus placements. Minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Aries, maraming salamat sa iyo. Let us see what are the energies and the messages for you. Ano yung mga gabay para sa mga Pisces, Aries, okay? Aries. This is Aries. Messages and energies for Aries, please. Gabay para sa mga Aries. Merong hammock. Taking a vacation physically or mentally. Okay. For some of you, kailan mo ng bakasyon. Okay? Or physically or mentally, kailangan mo ng peace of mind. Kailangan mo ipahinga ang iyong isip. Okay? Madami kang iniisip, mga obligasyon, Aries. Okay? Mga issues sa buhay. You need to take a break. Egg. Success assured with good plans and hard work. Okay? Seahorse. Family matters. Okay? Family matters, may mga kailangang pag-usapan or i-discuss sa family, may mga concerns about that. Okay? Yeah. Merong pag-uusap with the family. Broom. New home, new attitude. Okay? New home, new attitude. Okay? Bagong bahay. For some of you, a new life for you, Aries. Bridge. Successfully overcoming a problem. Okay. Ear. Good news. So, merong good news para sa Aries. Okay. It may be sa work, sa family nyo, okay, sa personal life mo. Okay. Kung ano man yung mga problema or mga issues, magkakaroon ng solusyon. Okay. Merong bagong bahay. New attitude, change of attitude, okay? Change for the better, Aries, for some of you. For some of you, ibahin na yung treatment. Merong improvement sa pakikisama, okay? Or sa dealings in a situation, maybe sa work, sa home, okay? Tingnan natin kung ano yung messages for Aries, please, from the tarot. Aries. Aries. A new way of dealing people. Merong ganong clarity or energy for that. Aries. Energies and messages for Aries, please. May kailangan kang desisyon na gagawin, Aries. Maybe sa work mo to or sa inyong kaperahan, sa inyong finances, budget, okay? For some of you, you are very busy sa work mo. Kailangan mo ng balance and harmony. Time management, Aries. Huwag padalos-dalos sa inyong mga desisyon na gagawin. Okay? Okay. Merong event or pangyayari na hindi mo inaasahan that kailangan mo mag-decision kaagad. Pero you have to think things carefully before you act or before you make a decision. Yeah. Okay. Information. You are getting information. May mga delays, okay, or challenges sa isang sitwasyon. Okay? You will come to a solution, bright ideas, brilliant ideas, happiness will come to you, merong success. Okay? Yeah, may matatanggap kang balita. For some of you, you will be receiving an award, okay, because of your hard work. Yes. Many things happening at once. Ang daming pangyayari, ang daming mong ginagawa. Aries, inaatupag, inaasikaso. Yeah. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, kailangan mong ayusin ang inyong schedules. Yes, to avoid delays. Time management is needed. Yeah. Very challenging, no? Yung nangyayari sa inyo ngayon about sa work. Okay. New ideas, new planning is needed. Okay. Yeah. Creative ideas, creative solution, you need to come up with it para ma-improve ang inyong situation. Okay. A happy home life, on the other hand, Aries, merong contentment and at the same time, merong accomplishment, okay, na ikakasaya ninyo. Okay. Yeah. For some of you, you will be making a decision. Okay. You need to seek advice. Kung meron kang kailangan gawin regarding home life or regarding your family, a decision na gagawin. Or a decision has been made about a house. Okay. Merong success and celebration. Merong get together. Yeah. Yeah. For some of you, you are overly focused on material things. Yung iba ay overthinking. Okay. You feel trapped sa situation mo ngayon. Yung parang hindi mo alam kung ano yung gagawin. Okay. Negative ang naiisip. You need to overcome that. Yes, because of the competition. Okay. Kung sa work, parang hindi nagkakaintindihan. Okay. Parang kung sa isang team, iba-iba yung ways, iba-iba yung walang unity. Okay. Meron din competition na nangyayari. Okay. For some of you, you are being competitive, Aries, sa inyong work, sa ginagawa ninyo. Okay? Someone is aiming, or all of you sa work is aiming for a promotion. Okay? May ini-aim na target. And nagne-negative thinking ka. Nagdidwell ka sa ganitong sitwasyon. Okay? For some of you na merong mga business, okay, entrepreneur, you are successful in that. Okay. Namamayagpag ang inyong negosyo. It is doing well. Okay. Yeah. For some of you, you are single, self-made, or independent, okay? Financially secured. At the same time, you are enjoying the fruits of your labor. For some of you, you're thinking about buying a home, a land, a piece of land. Yes. You have to let go of your fear. Yung iba, merong insecurities. Okay? And then, may kailangan ding desisyon na kailangan gawin. For some of you, malakas ang pakiramdam. You feel na may mga nangyayari behind the scenes. Merong mga inggit. Okay? We have the star. You have a guiding star. You are on the right path, Aries. If you are thinking about it, do not be afraid, okay? Kung meron kang mga fears, you have to let it go. Harapin ang kailangang harapin. Okay? Make a wish. Okay? Great happiness for you. Yes, kailan mo lang magtiwala sa sarili, be confident, okay? Yeah. Yes, may mga tao na naiinggit, pinag-uusapan ka, okay? Maybe for some of you, you are dealing with a leader, okay? Someone na may mataas na ranggo din sa isang work, sa work ninyo. Okay? Okay. But happy times ahead. You're on your own now. Okay, Aries. For some of you, you're thinking about a partnership. Okay? You are planning. You've come to your own. Okay? Yeah. New exciting things will come to you, Aries. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, nag-iisip about biyahe, okay, magta-travel, mangibang bansa. Be patient, okay? Yeah. Yeah, be patient. Yung for some of you, nag-iisip na ng hindi maganda. Okay? Trust the process, trust the universe, Aries. Okay, you have a guiding star. Okay. Happy times ahead. Great happiness will come, Aries. Yes. So there will be a new job for some of you, a new career, new contracts, okay? For some of you, you will be closing a deal. Big money, big incentive will come. Okay? So, kung ano man to, yung mga inggit, yung mga fears mo, competition, let it go. Because you have the guiding star. Believe in yourself. The universe is with you. Napapakinggan ang inyong hiling, ang inyong panalangin. There will be a celebration. Okay? You will be successful. May matatanggap kang money or incentive big enough, okay, to make you happy, feel happy. Merong contentment, okay. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo mag-work abroad. You are looking forward to it. You will be receiving the contract. Yeah, it's a wish come true for you. Okay. Wala kang dapat ikatakot. Okay. Kung nagdadalawang isip ka, release your doubts sa sa desisyon na gagawin mo, Aries. Okay? Yeah, sure ball. You will have it, you will receive it. Kung ano man to, work-related, work, new job, new contract, new deals. Okay? So, merong celebration. Yan mo yung mga competition, yung mga naiinggit sa inyo. Okay? Just focus on yourself. Focus on your goal. Okay? Be aware of focusing on material things also. You are overly focused on material things for some of you. You want to win the competition. You want to be on top. Okay? Yeah. Okay. So, nag-iisip ka kung makukuha mo ba to? Yes, it will. You will receive it, Aries. Okay? Tingnan natin kung ano pa yung message for you. For Aries, please, Aries. Aries. Message, spiritual message for Aries, please. You wouldn't plant a seed and then dig it up every few minutes to see if it has grown. So why do you keep questioning yourself, your hard work, and your decisions? Have patience, stop overthinking, and keep watering your seeds. Okay. So parang confirmation ng inyong reading. Okay. Huwag mag-overthink. Yeah, maybe for some of you, you are overthinking about a competition. Kung makukuha mo ba to or hindi. Okay? Be patient. For Aries, please. Angel number for Aries. Number 19. If you keep seeing the number 19, this is the message for you. Independence and self-sufficiency are necessities to you. You are extremely capable in life and in work and aren't afraid to take big risks to achieve the life you desire. I am a pioneer. So you are pioneer, Aries. Okay? So believe in yourself. Makukuha mo kung ano yung nais mo. Okay? You have a guiding star. Believe in yourself. Okay? So, these are the messages for you, Aries. Maraming salamat sa iyo. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye!